Hey guys, Christina Curry here with Sprout Creative. I am the founder and CEO, and we help small business owners who are really busy running their business. They're overwhelmed with marketing, growth has plateaued, to really turn their marketing into a manageable, automated, stress-free marketing machine. Let me ask you, have you set up a webinar or virtual event and then no one showed up? Or maybe a few people showed up? Most of the reason that I see my clients is they just didn't give themselves enough marketing time to market the event. And in this kit, I've got a 30-day marketing plan. Yeah, I said 30 days. To most events, we need a little bit of runway, and it's 30 days to a successful event. So everything you're going to need to plan, launch, and overbook that virtual event. We're going to include communications calendar. So we break down each week to tell you what you need to hit, what goals you need to reach. Break it down like this because it's a lot more digestible, and most people have a few hours versus 20 hours in 1 week to dedicate to something. So we like to break it down by week, and then we give you weekly checklists that really keep you on task, and also supplemental videos. So we're able to kind of extend off of the content and really dive deeper in and explain things. And I don't know about you, but I'm a visual learner, so the video is super helpful. And then we also provide templates and suggested copy for your email marketing. And you're going to have 2 tracks of email. One track is to those attendees because you want to nurture them. They've signed up for your event. You don't want them to forget about you. And then you're also doing to your overall list of non-attendees to get them to come in. So we will have all kinds of examples of how to do that and build that urgency as you get closer to your event. We also help you to set your goals, because if you don't know where you are going, you're not going to know how to get there. We give you tons of examples and really how to lay out that goal setting early on. And then your social media templates and ideas and suggestions, and we give you some power words in order to really push that urgency through. So make sure you sign into sproutcreativela.com, our website. Head over there. And then click shop, and you want to download this virtual event. It is chocked full of information, 80 pages. It is robust, but it is so worth it. Previous clients have really been using this as their event promotion Bible. And let us know what you think. Okay.